All right, Modern Citizen, this is your boy Yovanni, the creative director for Modern Citizen Designs. And I am here at the famous SUB HUBB right in the heart of Walton, New York. And we're getting ready to drop off their brand new menu. So come on, let's go check them out and see what they say. Quick unveiling.
Christmas time.
I love it.
Looks good to me.
Me too.
They also offer breakfast. And then
we have
you come over
cards.
here. Laura, tell them what this is all about.
Every breakfast sandwich you get a punch. After the 10th one, your 11th one will be free. So any breakfast sandwich, wrap, or burrito. And we also have them for lunch too. For subs, wraps, or rolls. Hi, this is Laura, and I want to thank Yovanni from Modern Citizen Designs for making our menus for SUB HUBB. I recommend, if you need any menus done, give him a shout out.